Alright guys, today for lunch we have a macaroni and cheese salad. This is requested by a subscriber. Her name is Happy. She said she was going to send me a $25 gift card. I decided just to do it ahead in advance. And some tomato soup. You saw how I made it. Makes you eager to try this out. She thought I would love this recipe because I love Kraft macaroni and cheese, and I do. So let's get started. It's kind of, I think it's kind of like a little bit kind of fell apart. I don't know if I put too much macaroni and cheese on it. Maybe I did. Let's try this one. This one's like not too bad. That's what it looks like. But I think you guys saw a close up. Let's give it the first try. I'm excited, guys. Let's try it out. Guys, that is really good. I say if you like cheese, wow, or Kraft macaroni and cheese. Wow. So good. Oh. So the flavors, what am I tasting? Well, it's basically like a grilled cheese sandwich. Have you ever had a grilled cheese sandwich? It's very buttery, very, very cheesy. I put a lot of cheese on it. And it has macaroni and cheese, so it's very cheesy. It's very good crunch to it. I think my nephew would love this because a few weeks ago, he told me to make a grilled cheese sandwich, and he says he hasn't had grilled cheese in so long. Now, you could do American cheese, and I was going to do that, but I was like, you know what, I'm not really big on American cheese. And I do like sliced cheddar cheese, like on my burgers and stuff, so I think I'm going to make some burgers this week, and I have some fresh sourdough bread. The key is to get fresh sourdough bread. Yeah, so it's very cheesy, it's very good. But now Happy said that she watched, I think his name is Contran. He did the same recipe, like tomato soup and macaroni and cheese. And he says go easy on the macaroni and cheese, and maybe I did too much. Maybe that's why it's crumbly. So if you do try this, guys, maybe a little bit less macaroni and cheese. And I decided to film this in my kitchen background. I haven't had a kitchen background on my videos in a while. Yeah, I know that it may not. I don't know if you. I kind of miss my kitchen backgrounds. Do you guys? Let me know. Or do you guys like the sign ones? This is kind of cool too because I can put signs into a clear white wall. But I have noticed for some reason that when I do a kitchen background, the lighting looks better, even though I have two lights facing me. So I don't know, but I thought I'd do something different. Whoa. But yeah, I recommend this. Very easy to make too. All right, let's try this tomato soup, just Campbell's tomato soup. This bowl, Running Bear gave this to me in Japan, from Japantown. So we're using the bowl. I think it looks kind of cool in the video, like a nice Japan bowl. And yeah, yesterday I filmed a Vietnamese food. I did pho and some egg rolls and spring rolls, and I used this bowl for the pho, and it looks really good. I can't wait to upload. I don't know what video I'm going to upload first. I talked to a subscriber. She thought I should upload the pho video first because it will be something different. I mean, this is different too. It's kind of cool too. Yesterday's video is really cool. I ate a lot of food. So I had the pho. I had some egg rolls and spring rolls. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll upload the pho one first. We'll see. And when I scratch the bowl, some people don't like it when I scratch the bowl. They complain. They just don't, which is I totally understand that. So yeah, a lot of people don't like when I scratch the bowl. So I'm just going to use a plastic spoon in case you're wondering. pretty good. Nice and creamy. This is a perfect lunch. Today, believe it or not, it is the 4th of July, so I'm wearing a nice 4th of July shirt. My sister didn't invite me to a barbecue, so I was going to do like a live video. But she invited me the last minute. I didn't even have time to do a pre-recorded video, so sorry about that. It was just like a last minute thing. But regardless, I hope you still enjoyed this video. So yeah, I say my energy has definitely improved the last 3 or 4 days. Saw a lot of Reiki clients. I made almost 500 in 4 days. Yeah, 4 days. Well, maybe 3 days. I mean, that's like crazy. I mean, $500 in 3 days of Reiki. Wow. I've been listening to meditation. It's kind of like it's a Bob Proctor meditation where you visualize. It's a meditation where you visualize like a violet color entering your body, and it helps like reduce stress. And yeah, I think that might be helping. Because I was looking at some comments, and this one comment, this girl was like, I've been listening to this for a year and now I'm a millionaire. And this other comment was like, yeah, I've been listening to this for a while too. I'm not a millionaire yet, but I've definitely increased my money. I'm like, oh, really? Interesting. So I've been listening to that for every few weeks, not every day, 3 or 4 times a week, as much as I can. And I might have shifted some things for me. I'm not really sure, but I'm very excited. I've been doing affirmations. The last week for Reiki sessions, I did a special, sent it to an email to all my clients, and I got quite a bit of clients from that as well. So a lot of things are shifting, and my energy is picked up. I don't know why, but I'm very happy. So it's all been really good. Kind of messy. Like I said, I think I put too much macaroni cheese in here. It's good. So yeah, I saw a client that I haven't seen in quite like four years or so. And her life has definitely changed as well. And she was going to be doing some like psychic readings and energy healings. You know, going to the different fairs, and and then she said she was going to go to LA. Okay, that kind of works for her. I was thinking I could do LA, but I want to be able to attract Reiki clients because nobody's going to see me from LA. It's like 8 hours drive, you know, right? I might make some money. I don't know, but I don't know if I could actually get extra clients. But then I thought about it. Guys, I have a lot of subscribers that live in LA area. And I thought maybe I could go to LA. I could do some Reiki services, like a short Reiki healing. Because if you want to, a lot of people ask me about Reiki, what's Reiki like, you know, they want to know more about it. And guys, here's your chance. I could go to LA at one of those fairs and do a sample Reiki session. Maybe make some extra cash. Meet some of you guys. It'd be fun. It's just an idea. I don't even know like when the next, I don't even know when the next festival or whatever you called it is in LA, but if you let me know in the comments below if you would be interested in trying a Reiki session for me in LA. It's a possibility. I don't know. It'll have to be something fun to do since I know I have a lot of subscribers in LA, and everybody wants me to meet them. And it's just I probably have like at least 10 subscribers in LA want me to meet them. And it's like I don't know that I can meet every single person. It's like I live in San Francisco. If I didn't have a job, yeah, I can meet you guys all in like 1 week or whatever. But I have a job. Every time I take time off work, I get behind on my scanning. I'm not really sure about that, but if you did want, yeah, just let me know. I mean, in the comments, and then I'll get a clear idea if I should do it or not. I don't really want to get too full today because in 4 hours I have a barbecue with my sisters. I don't want to eat too much. But I think this is a good idea. I did 2 great videos this week. The pho, the egg rolls and spring rolls, and this. I think these are going to be 2 different videos, not your traditional Burger King, McDonald's, something different. I've been wanting to do another kitchen background video for a while. Let me know if you like this better. I could do a mix of like the wall with the pictures, or I could do a nice kitchen background. I think it's kind of cute. You know, you can see a little bit of my kitchen. I think it's kind of cute. But I don't know, maybe it's too cluttered. I don't know. But let me know your thoughts. Be really curious. So I don't know, but I may go to Monterey. If you guys don't know, Monterey, California, it's by San Francisco. I'm thinking about, if I don't have any clients on Saturday, I might go just for like the day. Yeah, because Monterey is only 2 hours for me, so I don't think I need to rent a hotel room. I'm just not really sure. They're like $300 a day, a night, whatever you call it. So it's really expensive. It makes sense to get a hotel at Pismo Beach or Santa Barbara because it's like really far away, but 2 hours away, I could probably have lunch and dinner and be back before dark time. It's only 2 hours away. So it's an idea. Been wanting there's this beach called Lovers Beach, I think. I just saw some videos on YouTube. It looks amazing. It looks all these big rocks. I love beaches with big rocks. I know it's my thing. I don't know why. I feel like it's like when I went to Santa Barbara, that beach was like all these nice big rocks. I just love that type of beaches. So yeah, I'm really excited. I might do that. Thinking about it, but I'll probably just. It'll be a last minute decision on Saturday morning. I'll just wake up if I don't have any clients, want to schedule a session. I know I have one this Sunday, but I don't have any as of right now this Saturday. So I think I might just go, even if it's cloudy or not, I'm still going to go because there's only a couple more months until summer ends. But I am getting really full. I put so much macaroni and cheese in this. Everything's just fun part. Yeah, I've been trying to film my Mukbang videos on the weekends. I feel like, I don't know, I look really good on the weekends. I just feel more relaxed. My hair looks better. I have a new hair mask that I just love. It's a coffee hair mask. I think it makes my hair really soft and just natural and glowing. So I figured if I can film 2 videos the weekend and in the Monday through Friday just work and edit my videos, it'd be really good. And maybe every so often I can go out do a live video, but I don't know. I'm trying to reduce my lives because some people don't like my lives, and it's like I can't please everybody. Like people say go do live more, and some people say instead of going live more, can you do more regular videos? And it's just like I can't please everybody, guys. But I started to get these comments after I think I did 5 videos. Like I did 1 live video on Wednesday doing the Trader Joe's video, and then Friday I did 3 videos because of the cat. I wasn't sure about the cat, so I filmed the cat twice, and I ate pizza, and then Saturday morning I filmed a live breakfast video. I mainly filmed the breakfast video live, so you guys can ask me a question about the cat. And you guys were like wondering about the cat and if it came back. It did not come back. It has still not come back. I'm okay, guys. Don't worry. I like sleep. I'm really full, but I'm going to finish this last piece for you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I recommend you try it. I think it'd be great for kids. I think kids love macaroni and cheese. And they also say if you don't know what to do with leftover macaroni and cheese, you can make a grilled cheese sandwich with macaroni and cheese. That's a good idea as well. And thank you again, Happy, for the gift card. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Really appreciate you. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.